Welcome back to my channel, y'all. And today we are doing the best homemade lemon bars, y'all. And oh, I love lemon bars, y'all. Love y'all. wait till you see this recipe, you guys. It is super delicious, y'all. This is my jam, y'all. I'm excited. If you can't tell, okay. But the ingredients are super simple and delicious, and this recipe will be found under my dessert playlist, so make sure you check that out. Let's go. So I'm starting with some eggs, and I had some leftover lemons that were about to go bad. I'm using those up. Some granulated sugar and flour, and then my jam, my favorite, clear vanilla, and then a couple of sticks of butter and some salt. So I've melted the butter, and I'm going to sift in my dry ingredients, which is going to be the base for the shortbread crust. And I am using a smaller pan. This is enough for a 9x13, but I like a thicker crust that comes up the sides. So I'm gonna spray my pan, and I'm just gonna press this down, and we're gonna bake this in the oven first and work on the filling next. So off we go. So while I squeeze my lemons, y'all, go ahead and use this opportunity to click that subscribe button if you have not already. And thank you so much to those who already have subscribed to my channel. I thank you all so much for the support, and shout out to my fellow creators. Hey y'all. So out of the oven, I have that crust, and I'm just gonna prick some holes in there just to kind of release the bubbles and also create that little space for the filling to kind of absorb into that crust. And y'all, so excited, y'all. So into the oven, we're gonna finish baking it off, and there you go. Look at that. And it's gonna sit full room temperature, and then put it into the oven for a minimum of 4 hours. And then I am just gonna dust it with some powdered sugar for some pretty and taste. And y'all, let's cut into this. Look at this, y'all. Look at that. Lemon bars, y'all. Come on. It is so delicious, y'all. But look, I mean, you can have this for breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack time. Whatever time is a good time for lemon bars, y'all. And y'all, look, it's so good. Look at this. Hold on now. Let me let you get that bite. There you go, baby. So I'm drooling as usual, y'all, but that's okay. But anyway, go ahead and hit that notification bell so that when I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video, because it's lemon bars, y'all. And don't forget, new recipes every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time in my new video. Bye, y'all.